Here you go.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
What's your gift to your dad?
Wow! Thank you, baby.
Oh, di ba?
You're the one who made this? Galing mo naman mag-draw. Si Tati Rico. Si Elizabeth Lois. Galing ba may I love you po? Galing-galing may mga flowers kag heart ng mga balloons po.
Nice.
Galing-galing mo naman.
Okay, Sir Daddy. Happy birthday.
Birthday. Well, thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Happy niya
I love
naman.
you,
Show
I
your
love you,
gift.
I love you, I love you, I love you.
Si Ate Niel naman.
Ate Niel.
Go. Go to your tatay.
Yan, tulog.
Tatay.
Happy birthday, Tatay.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Show your gift.
Ito na yung sweldo ko sa internship ko sa Dubai.
Ang sakit.
Ito na yung sweldo ko sa internship ko sa Dubai.
Yes, baby. Ano yun?
Dalawa. Ito sweldo ko. Happy birthday, Tatay.
Wow.
Galing-galing mo ng gift ko.
Ako pa, babox yan.
Galing yung box ko. You're the one who made this.
Of course naman.
Brilliant, ha? Happy birthday, Tata Rico. I'm really happy it's your special day. Thank you for always working hard, taking care of us, and making us feel safe. You always make us smile, and I love spending time with you because you're so funny. I love you so much, and I'm super lucky to have a tatay like you. I hope you have the best birthday ever. You deserve it.
Kiss Daddy. Happy birthday.
Iyak ka. Iyak ka. Iyak ka. Iyak ka. Diyan ka.
Kasi happy birthday, Daddy.
Dito, say, happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Sing us that happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.